Okay, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about the Nordictrack RW900 rower. And one thing that we learned really quick is how to power off this main screen. There's only one way to do it, and it's this. That's how you power it down. There is no power button on the monitor itself. The only buttons that are really on the monitor are the buttons that you want to use to power up, or actually to increase or decrease the volume. That's it. So quick and simple. So again, this is for the Nordictrack RW900 rower. Put a link in the description below, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.